Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word chisels. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The carpenter used a variety of chisels to shape the wood and create intricate designs in the furniture. Chisels are sharp cutting tools with a flat metal blade used for carving, shaping, or cutting hard materials such as wood, stone, or metal. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.